Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Rofel BBA College, Vapi. In the subject Advanced Human Resource Management, TYBBA, 5th semester. Now we will continue to discuss about Unit 1 and the point which we will be going to discuss today in this e-session, that is functions of HR managers. HRD managers or departments play a very important and crucial role in the organization. The HRD manager at shell organization perform a wide range of functions. These are given as under. So let's discuss each function one by one. The first one, function performed by the HRD manager, that is role analysis. The HRD manager should design the wider roles rather than mere job based or the organization's present and future needs. The HRD manager should also take into consideration different internal and external environmental factors while formulating and analyzing these roles. Second one, function performed by the HRD manager, that is HRP, Human Resource Planning. The HRD manager, based on the role analysis, should plan for the human resources which would meet not only the future organizational requirement but also capable of being developed. The third one, function performed by the HRD managers, that is recruitment. It is the process of searching for the prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the job in the organization. This is one of the crucial functions performed by the HRD managers, where they are going to use two sources, that is internal recruitment sources and another, that is external recruitment sources. After recruitment, the HRD managers are going to perform fourth one function, that is selection. Selection is the process of ascertaining and collecting the personnel based on qualification, experience, skills, knowledge, abilities, personality, etc. of an applicant with a view to appraising or checking his or her suitability to the job. Fifth one function performed by the HRD managers, that is placement. Placement is the process of assigning the selected candidate with the most suitable job. It is actually matching of the employee specification with the job requirement. So, in simple, we can say that placement is the process of giving the right job to the right person. Sixth one function performed by the HRD managers, that is induction or orientation. Induction programs, also called as orientation programs. These are the techniques by which a new employee is familiar with the new surrounding and introduce the candidate with the practices, policies, purposes and people of the new organization, so that to make him more familiar and reduce his shyness and complexities as well as phobia. Seventh one function performed by the HRD managers, that is PA, Performance Appraisal. It is the systematic evaluation of individuals with respect to their performance on the job and their potential for the future development. So, it is matching of the expected performance or standard performance with the actual performance. And in case of any deviation, HRD manager is going to offer different training programs. That's why the next one function performed by the HRD managers, that is training. Training is a systematic process by which employees learn new skills, knowledge, abilities, or attitudes to further organizational and personal goal achievement. The next one function performed by the HRD managers, that is MDP, Management Development. It is also called as Management Development Programs. It is the process of designing and conducting suitable executive development programs so as to develop managerial and human relation skills within the employees. So these are the special programs created to develop white collar level executives to improve their human relation skills, behavioral skills as well as managerial skills. Next one function performed by the HRD managers, that is career planning and development. It is the planning of one's career and implementation of career plans by means of education, training, job search and acquisition of work experiences within the organization only. It includes internal and external mobility, that is promotion and transfer. The next one function performed by the HRD managers, that is OD, Organizational Development. OD is an organization-wide personal efforts managed from top with a goal of increasing organizational performance through planned intervention. Here, the intervention means various techniques for development of the organizational culture and making the better relationship between superior and subordinate as well as between different departments and levels. OD looks in depth at the human side of organizations. It seeks to the change attitude, values, organization structure and managerial practices in an effort to improve the organizational performance in the country. Next one function performed by the HRD managers, that is employee counseling. The process of employee counseling about his or her job and organizational related activities helps him or her to acquire additional skills, knowledge and abilities from his or her counselor, and generally in the organizational, mostly the counselor will be his or her immediate superior. Therefore, the HRD manager should arrange for frequent employee counseling. Next one function, that is teamwork. Teamwork requires a joint efforts of the members to plan, make decisions, implement those decisions, evaluate them and correct them. This process enables the members to learn from each other and make the other's strength their own one, so that they can reduce their weaknesses too. Therefore, the HRD manager should encourage teamwork for developing organizational human process efficiently and effectively. Next one function, that is communication policies. The free flow of upward communication policies encourage and boost up and motivate the subordinates to share their new ideas, suggestions, experiences and other work-related issues with their immediate superiors. The superior in turn learn them. As it enables the learning process, the HRD manager should insist the top management to formulate favorable and learning initiative for communication policies. The next one function performed by the HRD managers, that is Grievance Mechanism. It is also called as Grievance Redressal Cell. Grievance here means problems or complaints. Prompt settlement of employees' problems leads to the job satisfaction, and we know very well that satisfied employees are encouraged to enrich their resources with a view to enhance their contribution and performance in the organization. As such, the HRD manager should help the top management to design an efficient grievance handling mechanism within the organization and maintain the better culture in the organization. So, all these functions are performed by HRD managers. That's why their role becomes very crucial in the organization. Thank you, students.